All right, what is up, my NGAs? Oh. Today is the trade recap. I haven't, dude, bro. Today's the trade recap. Um, took a 2 hour little trade. Let me show you guys the executions. All right, there we go. Bought 15, sold 15. So let me show you guys how much I'm up today. Oh wait. Okay, so don't look at this P&L number. Don't look at that shit. All right, hold on, let me put the handy dandy calculator, right? So 716 plus what? Why is it bugged out, bro? Bro, what is this? Oh, seven. Okay, it's up here. 716 plus 1194. So on two accounts. So 1194 plus 1194. So I'm up 3 grand. Oh, 3 grand. No, I'm playing. Thank you, Jesus Christ, for making me win today. I'm up 3 grand today. I'm gonna show you guys what I saw and why I took what I took. Let's get started. So basically, going to the day, I was bearish. I was bearish going into the day here. So it looks like expansion, accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. But or this looks like it looks like AMD or XAMD, right? And the reason why I only went longs was because like coming up to the 15 minute time frame, this was our distribution leg, right? And we tapped -2 to put my standard deviation. Plus, we were in a 4 hour fair value gap. So then I was like, okay, look, longs here could look good because we opened up and we just dumped towards that area. So I was like, okay, look, this longs could look good here. So we end up sweeping out all of this little buy side or sell side liquidity, dropping onto the 15-minute time frame right here. We have a CRT candle here. So I'm like, okay, look, beautiful, right? And I'll drop down to the 1 minute. We have SMT divergence at these lows. Okay, and then so my original entry was consequent encroachment of this breaker, right? You don't get tagged, unfortunately. Yeah, so then I'm like, okay, look, I'm gonna wait here. And as we were going up, we were basically just consolidating, but in the uptrend, right? So not every consolidation that I learned, it's not going to always be like this the whole time, right? It can be like this, right? Like it can still go up like this, and then boom, low resistance liquidity, right? So that's what it was doing, right? So I was like, okay, look, breaker here. We don't tap 50% mark. We push up this. So now if we're in a bullish market, or these bearish candles should start to get respected. So then boom, right here, respect, pushes up. Now this is now my propulsion block, etc. Right? And this is also propulsion block here also. So then boom, I ended up entering at this order block. I got filled at this down close candle. Stops were here, and then my target was this resistance high, right? Because if you look here, this is just another low resistance right here, right here. But we break above, retest here, press back up. So like you could have entered down here, but I didn't. I was looking to enter off the breaker, didn't get filled. Price comes back up, still high resistance liquidity run right here. End up taking it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Honestly, that's pretty much it. But yeah, like I said, I didn't trade all last week because oh, there we go. I didn't trade all last week because just a lot of shit was happening, and plus I wasn't confident in my strategy. And plus, to be honest, this isn't my strategy. Like honestly, this isn't my strategy. My strategy is buying highs and lows and buying lows and selling above highs. And the only reason why I didn't implement that today was because we opened up and we dumped. Right? I was bearish, but we opened up and we dumped. So then I was like, okay, look, there's a high chance that we pump up from here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's pretty much the trade recap of today's trades. But yeah, other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Hopefully tomorrow we can do more. And plus, I'm down on my funded account here also, low key. I'm glad I built it back up. But yeah, other than that, guys, I will catch you guys all tomorrow.